All right, this is Martin Bryan here. I'm going to do a video on these David Gilmour strings I ordered from Amazon. So, I was looking for some guitar strings, super typical. Ordered a couple new guitars and I haven't changed the strings on them since I've had the guitars. And I want to change the strings, cleaning the guitars up. So I wanted to go ahead and order like a 5-pack of strings. So what I decided to do was to look on Amazon to see if there was something different, something I haven't used or tried before. And that's when I stumbled upon these beauties. Let's take a look at them, shall we? Now, obviously David Gilmour is a big name for any brand to have as an endorsement. So we'll have to take a look at these and see if indeed there's anything special or unique about them. So that's the front. Here's the back. And this was supposed to come as a 5-pack. I'll go back and double check the order. But I'm only seeing 3. Now these are 10 to 48s. I grew up as a kid when, before alternate tunings were a big thing, people were just playing in regular tuning, and super slinkies, gauges starting at 8 and I think ending at 42 were super popular. So these are a little bit thicker than I'm normally used to, but I think that is more in line with modern days. Alright, so let's open this package up and see what they look like. Actually, this one's starting to open itself. So let's take a look. Pulls out like a little wallet. Again, this was the back panel, the front, and now the inside. Alright, each string is in its own individual sleeve, which I really like, and they're clearly labeled. Some of the strings I've been purchasing from other manufacturers, they come all bound together, and then there's just a different color in the nut to indicate which string you're using. But these are all nice and pretty in their own individual sleeve. So we got the 10s. I'm really milking this video. We got the 12s. Let's go in order. We got the 10s for the E string. We've got the 12s for the B string. We've got 16 for the G. Then we've got 28s for the A. I'm sorry, 28s for the D. 34s, I'm sorry, 38s for the A. 38s for the A string. And then finally 48s for the low E. So I guess one thing that's impressed me just in terms of the packaging again is the individual labeling for each sleeve. That's really kind of nice. Alright, well, we'll have to de-string a guitar, clean it up, and give these a try. Okay, so you might not be able to hear me very well because the air conditioning is on. It's the end of July here in Chicago. So when I went to change the strings and put on the new David Gilmour strings, I quickly realized this video was going to be at least as much about the Grote, because I did the open box video, tuned it up, and I've been playing it ever since. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to change the strings on this guitar, is to get a better look at it. So the tailpiece is not locking, no big surprise for that on the Grote. But there is a couple of surprises. I've been having issues with the tuning stability, and I assumed it was the machines. But now after taking a look at the nut, I think it's really the nut. So it doesn't look like the nut's been cut very well. There's a lot of rough edges. I tried to zoom in and get a close-up, see how that shows up. So that's making me get out another tool I have that I've done a video on. Hopefully I'll remember to link that. And this is something I also got on Amazon. It's designed to allow you to file down the nut, but it also includes some high-grade sandpaper. So what I'm going to do is the nuts are just rough in general on the top. So I'm going to do some sanding down the tish in general. Just get the rough plastic off. Well, probably not the smallest. Some of these are ridiculously small.